Hello, I am Karishma Singh and currently I am studying in BSLP 4th semester, and here I am going to present a e-learning material on voice and its disorder. The therapy strategy over which I will talk is the Lee Silverman voice therapy. So it is presented to Mr. Indran Chatterjee, who is lecturer in speech and hearing sciences, and it is presented by me that I already introduced myself. And before I start, I will say something about the COVID-19 pandemic. Just because of that, we are here working from home, studying from home, and everything. And since the guidelines of this video is to use mother tongue, so I will use both Hindi and English. So COVID-19 prevention, so as a clinician we should keep in mind these points, that is sanitize our hands and instrument on regular basis, sanitize our hand after tympanometry, touching headphones, therapy materials, etc. Use face mask regularly, dispose the mask after use and choose right type of mask, and the most important thing is maintain social distancing, connect patients digitally, provide daily rehabilitation. To the पेरेंट्स एंड द पेशेंट्स आई विल से दैट आप लोग भी अपना हाथ अच्छी तरह से सैनिटाइज कीजिए, हाथ धोते रहिए, जब भी बाहर से आइए हाथ धोइए, मुंह नाक कान ये सब न टच मत कीजिए, हमेशा फेस मास्क यूज़ कीजिए बाहर जाते समय। ओके, और द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आप लोग भी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ज़रूर मेंटेन कीजिए, कम से कम 1 मीटर डिस्टेंस ज़रूर होना चाहिए, और आरोग्य सेतु ऐप का इस्तेमाल भी कीजिए तो सही रहेगा। ठीक है, okay. So what is Lee Silverman voice treatment? Okay, the Lee Silverman voice treatment is a behavioral treatment. So it is mainly focused on the behavior and geared toward creating neurobiological changes associated with therapy for people with Parkinson disease. So it is applied basically on the Parkinson's disease person. It was developed in the 1980s in Mr. Lee Silverman, and it designed specifically to uh, create sustained improvement in speech and voice function. As the person who has Parkinson disease, their voice become very weak, okay, feeble, very weak. So this type of treatment is done here. So now the origin and rationale. Okay, so the objective and origin I already discussed. So again here it is okay. The thing is, it has two types. Means this Silverman voice treatment has two types: loud and big. So we are mainly focusing on the loud. So loud was formed 15 years ago to treat patients with Parkinson disease. Okay, the principle of loudness was to focus on exaggeration, and loud what it do enhance sound and articulation through using an exaggerated volume. So standardized treatment protocol. The protocol must be intense in accordance with the theories of motor learning, skill acquisition, and neuroplasticity in order to obtain optimum result. Okay, so it is basically it has 16 sessions, 4 consecutive days a week for 4 weeks, and 1 hour session for 4 weeks. So it is completed in just 1 month, and patient is given daily homework practices. लोग होमवर्क प्रैक्टिस दिया जाता है और एक्सरसाइजेस रेगुलरली करने के लिए बोला जाता है। Okay, what research says. In a review published in Parkinson disease, it was shown that loud training resulted in statistically significant difference in vocal and sound pressure level and frequency. Okay, during speech in comparison to treatment focused on increased respiratory support. What are the components of Lee Silverman voice treatment loud? Okay, so first of all is the model. So we have to show the client how to do this. Okay, so we have to model and don't show in potential detail, means no need to do in a potential detail means too much, otherwise there will be too much cognitive detail, no need to do. Okay, same, increase vocal loudness with healthy vocal quality, and increase effort to drive muscle activation, stabilize with repetition and reinforcement, and calibrate in order to retain current mismatches sensory perception. More thing is, the LSBT program is based on five fundamental concepts, that is thinking loud. So not only just speaking loud or talking loud, we have to also think loud. High speech, there will be high speech effort, intensive treatment, recalibrating level, quantifying improvement. Targets are first work during sustained vowels production, followed by production of target in more complex speech such as word, phrases, sentence and conversation. तो पहले vowel पे ये vowel आ मतलब पहले vowel पे किया जाता है, फिर इसको word पे ले जाया जाता है, phrase पे ले जाया जाता है, sentence, उसके बाद normal conversation पे किया जाता है. ठीक है. और कितना थेरेपी प्रोग्राम कितने का दिन का है वो मैंने पहले डिस्कस कर दिया. Okay, so the most important question is how many speech targets are focused on during LSBT loud treatment. So how many targets are involved here? So you will be surprised at just one, that is loudness. Okay, so just one target is here, is to increase the loudness. Okay, so deep, we have to take deep breath, a slower rate, relax neck and shoulder, normal pitch and open mouth. Okay, the treatment of one speech target help to decreases the cognitive load and enhances various level of speech production. Explicit models and cue provide a significant role in treatment. So loud act as a trigger for affecting across system. Okay, so what we have to take is the deep breath, open mouth, improved articulation and rate reduction. These all we can see in after this treatment approach. So here you can see the person who is not standing straight and having a feeble speech, that is not loud. Okay, and the person who is straight and speaking loud. Okay, so using visual feedback from a sound level meter, patients are taught the effort that is necessary to increase their loudness level. So along with that, we have to give the visual feedback from a sound level meter. Okay, they are told to think loud, think loud. That I already told, means you have to think also. Parkinson disease patients use uh, poor breath support and talk softly must learn that the effort to produce adequate loudness must be high. Most efficacious way of learning this is through intensive treatment. Next, they are taught to recalibrate their loudness level. Voice they think is loud is actually too soft. Excellent recording keeping to demonstrate effectiveness of treatments. Means we have to also make the patient listen how they are speaking. Means we have to record whatever they are saying, and we have to make the patient listen. Patients are asked to practice therapy exercises daily at home, and SLP need to satisfied by attending a means certification course. Means anyone cannot give this approach. The SLP who is certified, those only who can give the therapy. So it's the demonstration how it is actually done.
We're going to demonstrate LSPT loud for you. So with Parkinson's disease, what can happen is your voice starts to get a little bit lower in volume, so it's hard for others to understand you. So in order to help with that, LSPT developed this program to kind of recalibrate the system so it goes from here back to a normal conversational level so that those around you can hear what you're saying. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate for you, and then we're going to have you guys also participate with us. Okay, so that was good, Alex, but I'd like you to be a little bit louder. So you don't have to feel that. Do it just like me. Great job. Okay, now I'd like everybody to do it along with us. So I want you to sit up nice and tall in your chairs. Excellent. You're going to take a deep breath. And right when you're ready, about to exhale, I want you to say "ah" as loud as you can and hold it as long as you can. Ready? So if we were competing, great job, great job. Okay, so now when we talk, we don't just talk like this with a monotone voice. We go high, we go low, we express ourselves that way, and it shows our personality. It helps us to make our point when we want to stress something. So that's also covered in this program. So after those, just we go high and we go low. So I'm going to show you with Alex, and then I'm also going to have you guys follow along. Deep breath in, of course, to start. Excellent job. Okay, now you guys, I want you to do the same thing. Take a deep breath in, and then start low, and you're going to end. Good. I felt like I was about even this time, so good job. You guys picked it up. Okay, so now we're going to do the opposite, go in the opposite direction, from high to low. So you're going to do it just like we do. I'm going to demonstrate. Good. Now I want you guys to do. So the loud program works in a hierarchy. So we start with the ahs, we move to short phrases, sentences, conversational speech, and finally we carry it over into your daily lives. So another aspect of the program is it has you develop what we call functional phrases, and we use those in practice. So Alex, what would be your functional phrase?
My functional phrase is, have you fed Fluffy today?
So have you fed Fluffy today? So we try to come up with phrases that are really important to you. They might involve your spouse, your kids, something that you do every day. So if anybody would like to volunteer, what would, for example, oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, what a beautiful day. Amazing. Good job. All right, so that's just an example of the LOUD program. And that's conducted over several weeks, and it is an intensive program, about an hour per session.
So this was the demonstration. Now I will move on. these are my studies. Okay. These are the studies where the LSBT program was done. So I will read one of some of the studies, that is the Raming et al. Study compare changes in speech in Parkinson disease patient treated with LSBT in untreated patient with PD and in healthy age matched controls. PD treated group number 14 and PD no treatment 15, and the result was like this. So these are some of few studies. Okay. These are my references. That's all. Thank you. I'm sorry for the